Good morning, everyone. My name is Justin Lawrence Manai, and today I will discuss what is speaking. So, first, let's proceed to the objectives. Objectives develop students' ability to diagnose students' needs and prescribe tasks that create better matches between learning needs and preferences. Create activities that aid the reading skills of the students. Explain the value of creating specific materials for students with writing disabilities. So, let's proceed to the topic. What do you mean by speaking? Speak means to talk, to give a lecture or speech, or to use voice to say something. Speaking refers to the act of using your voice to express thoughts, ideas, feeling through spoken language. It's one of the basic skills in communication and involve producing sounds using your vocal cords to create words and sentences. That's all, thank you.
Speak is a synonym of talk and means to use words and sounds to communicate. Speaking is another way of saying talking. It involves using words and sounds to share ideas, express feelings, and communicate with others. Whether in conversation, speeches or storytelling, speaking is an essential way we connect and understand one another.
Are you familiar with these words or letters? It belongs to International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA that we tackled on our first year. And that phrase when translated into English alphabet is good day class. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet chart, and using this will help us the way we speak or using the vowels and consonant point with articulation. The IPE has something to do with what we are about to discuss.